Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and I have another incredible LED solar panel combo that you're gonna love. You've seen these panels before, right? I've done many of these. This is a 6 watt, 6 volt, 1 amp panel. It's strong enough to charge 2 lights at the same time. And these are elegant. These are really nice. And they're designed for hanging. And here they are. So if you have a gazebo and you want to light it up, you have the ability to do so with 2 of these, 1 at each end. And they are bright. Each one has a 2200 milliamp battery pack. That is not user replaceable. So this will not get the JoeteckTips and it's an awesome rating. It comes with a remote control. Now, this remote control is used on all of the Upton, Upon. It's so difficult to pronounce these names of these companies. But I've reviewed this company in the past and they really make fantastic products. This is just the only one that's not using replaceable batteries. So let's hope it'll last forever. I mean, usually they do. I haven't had any trouble with any of the lights that I've purchased and set up, and all of them are still working 100%, so that's great news. So anyway, you have light capability here. You have cool white and warm white lighting. And it's interesting, one is actually on cool white and one is on warm white. It's kind of unique. I'm not sure how that happened. Alright, so that's the lowest. And that is the highest. It's a really elegant set. Definitely work. Definitely work. I mean, as you can clearly see, if you remember, if you have this in pitch dark in the area, which if you have it outside in the gazebo, these are going to light up really nice. As you can clearly see, they're really bright. So let's just see. Let's go to warm white. This is a cool looking light. I'm actually pretty impressed with it. You can clearly see the difference in terms of color. I would say to get like 2 of these, or maybe 3 of these, and set up panels on the roof of your gazebo, and maybe put 2 on the front, 2 in the middle, and 2 in the back. And then you can control each one of them, and it should give you plenty of light underneath that gazebo to light up the entire area, and it'll be from the sun. How freaking cool would that be? That'll be amazing. So guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.